called resonant frequency. Anyone know what resonant frequencies are? Resonant frequencies are the reason why when a truck drives by, your windows rattle. It's because there's a frequency that truck's emitting that's a low end frequency that is actually tuned to the same frequency or a partial of what your window is. So as your window it hears that frequency, it begins to respond and dance to that same frequency. It's a really cool concept when you think about souls, what your resonant frequency is.
One of my resonant frequencies is Michael Jackson.
Yeah. When Drew hears Michael Jackson, he begins to move and dance. Just like a window when it hears a truck. See, look, he can't even help it. Yep. There's something going on with it. This jack, I think.
Sounds funky.
It's just compressed. Whatever it is.
Like louder. Type into it. Yeah.
Well, hey Ryan.